Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 7th June 2021. Today is Monday and today I'm gonna make the first part of the installation video of my brand new Panasonic AC. I've already told you that when I install the AC, I'm gonna make the series video so that you can also know how I'm installing my Panasonic brand new split AC. 1.5 ton is the capacity of that AC. So I purchased the things required for the installation of the AC. Yesterday only I purchased the products as suggested by the engineer who's gonna install the AC in my house. So let me show you what I purchased. These are the wires. You can see thick wire. This is the 4mm wire. 20 meter is the length of the wire that will go from the main switch of my house to the room where we're gonna install the Panasonic brand new AC, split AC. And this wire you see over here is 2.5 mm. 3 meter is the length, and this wire is the ground or earthing wire, the green one. 0.75 mm is the width of the wire, and 10 meter is the length of the wire. So these are the wires suggested by the AC mechanic who's gonna install the AC in my house. So let me tell you about the brand of the wire. I'll be using the RR-KABEL brand. I don't have the experience of using this brand before because usually we use V-Guard in our house, but because V-Guard was unavailable in the electrical shop, my current local electrical shop, so I had to purchase this brand. So yeah, this is the wire of RR-KABEL. All the three wires are made from the same brand, RR-KABEL. So guys, these are the pure copper wire of the brand RR-KABEL. 4mm, 2.5 mm and 0.75 mm. The other things which I purchased for the installation of the Panasonic brand new AC is this top plug of brand Anchor. See over here, the MRP mentioned on the back is ₹79. He charged a little bit less because he knows me from very old time, the shopkeeper. And this is the socket, Anchor brand socket. 16 ampere, 16 ampere socket, 16 ampere 3-pin top plug, and this is the socket. 20 ampere and 10 ampere is mentioned on the back of the Anchor brand socket. You see over here, very good quality socket, and this top will fit perfectly in this socket after installing the AC, of course, like this. So socket and top plug from Anchor brand. What more I purchased? This is the main part, KABEL's brand MCB. This is the double pole. You can also use the single pole, but for better protection I purchased the double pole MCB of the brand KABEL's. You can see over here, this is the MCB of KABEL's brand. I wanted to purchase the Anchor brand because it was unavailable in his shop, so I had to purchase the KABEL's MCB. This is a 20 ampere rating. C20 is written on the back of this KABEL's MCB. Euro 2 miniature circuit breaker is mentioned on the packet. 6 years is the warranty. The maximum retail price written on the pack is 671. The product has been manufactured in the month of November 2020, and my local electrical shop charged me very less for the circuit breaker. He took only 515 for this circuit breaker because he's the wholesaler. And what more I purchased, let me show you. These are the box where socket will fit in this box. Plug and socket over there, and this is the box for MCB. MCB will be installed in this box. This is the screw and that plastic casing or the gully, they say in Hindi. Screw size 1.5 inch carpenter screw or wooden screw, you can tell in the shop. And this is the plastic casing which goes inside. So guys, this is the back of plastic casing or the gully that goes inside the hole which will drill, and the screw will fit inside this plastic casing perfectly. So the price of this plastic screw casing is ₹20 for this one pack, and I bought the screw for 18 rupees. It's around 38 pieces of carpenter screw, 1.5 inch screw. So these are the things I purchased for the installation of my brand new Panasonic AC, and I'm gonna make the video of the installation, the entire video of the installation in the upcoming days when the AC mechanic will come in my house for the installation. So if you like the review or if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is free, to know more about the installation of my brand new Panasonic split AC. 1.5 ton is the capacity of the split AC. So guys, let me tell you about the total cost for the products I purchased for the installation of my brand new Panasonic AC. The total cost is around 2000 Indian rupee. I paid approx 2000 Indian rupee at my wholesaler electric shop, and if you buy these items from the dealer or not dealer, showroom, then they'll charge around 2500 Indian rupee, and if you buy from the wholesaler, they'll charge around 2000 Indian rupee for these items. This is the 4mm 20 meter is the length, 4mm 20 meter. That green one is 10 meter 0.75, the blue one is 3 meter 2.5 mm, and these are the MCB top socket and screw, excluding the screwdriver. It's my old screwdriver. So yeah guys, bye bye. Yeah guys, again thank you to Panasonic India. This is Evewin Lakra. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is free, because plenty of more product review videos and interesting videos about my city Jamshedpur are coming really soon. This is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all and Domo.
A better life, a better world. Panasonic.